Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki, here with my transparent bag setup. I have really been loving transparent bags these days. I love that they're stylish, I love that they're efficient, and if you're organizationally challenged, they can really challenge you to keep your bag in order. If you want to see my setup and why I love these bags, then keep watching. So friends, let's talk first about the style. I love that you can get them in a variety of styles, and I love that they're not just kind of plastic and there's no accents on it. Here you have the gold studs, which are absolutely beautiful. I love the button in the gold. It coordinates with my accessories such as my pen and my phone and notebooks and all of those things. Okay friends, so let's talk about the overall color, because I feel like that's such an important thing when you have a bag that's clear that everyone can see through. One would be tempted to just throw everything in the bag, but I will tell you, if you do that and you have just a bunch of randoms in your bag, they may be functional, but if they're random in color, it can really make this look junky, and that's not something that you want to do, especially when it's so transparent. So one tip is to use your wallet and your accessories that coordinate with your phone and your pens and your kind of standards. That way when you look in the bag or anyone looks at your bag, it just looks very streamlined, it looks very just chic and classic or just stylish, and it's not overwhelming, not only for you but for whoever is seeing the bag. I stuck with the gold and silvers because my phone is silver. A lot of times I have between gold and silver accessories, and so I knew the combination of gold and silver would be beautiful. It would also keep things very light for me. Also, because it's transparent, if I'm out and about and I am wearing any kind of color in my clothing, it basically matches with everything. Friends, let's talk about the function now, because function is so important to me. In my organization with home or in handbags, I have to have beauty and I have to have function. I need those two things. I love the fact that it has the envelope style because it's easy, like I said, to get to everything. I also love that I was able to find my accessory bags in that transparent color with the gold hardware to coordinate with it. So again, bringing the beauty and the function. I definitely have to have me a pencil bag along with my place to hold my tech items. So a lot of the function is in there with being able to hold my pens. I also needed my phone. Then of course, the notebooks, and I have two notebooks in here, or actually three. One is my resource book that I keep with me all the time. I'm all about my resource book, and it's just a little book where I keep all of those little tidbits in case I need to access anything, or it's just all of those little tidbits of information that I need to know, and I keep it as my reference book. And so I have that there. I also have this notebook here, which I fell in love with these. These are actually new notebooks that I found in Target. They came as a set, and they're beautiful. This right here is a little calendar, and this is one of those inexpensive calendars that you get, and I replaced the old insert with just some scrapbook paper so that it coordinated with my bag, so it's just an easy fix. And this is really my editorial calendar for social media. I just started this process because I was like, I wanted a way where I could plan out my social media and just kind of have a quick glance at it. I can put it in my planner, but I wanted something that was solely for that purpose, so that I really can, when I look at this, I'm only seeing things that are related to the editorial calendar. So I'm trying this out. I'll let you know how it works for me, but I love that it's just so thin that it's not in the way, and I also can stick it in my planner, so it really works out great there. Okay friends, so then we have the clutch here. I have all of my typical little stickers in there, and my business cards, which always keep with me, my little notes and note cards and things like that I keep on me. It does have the chain here. If I want to carry it as a bag, I have that tucked in there, which is great if you want to use this whole transparent bag as a work bag, because you could grab this bag for lunch if you're going to lunch, and this would be perfect. On the back here is where I keep like tech accessories like phone charger and things like that. I just have that zipped up in the back there, so I can easily get to that. So friends, this is just a great bag. It has everything that I need in it so that I can function on the go. I love that it's just clear and I can really stay challenged to keep my bag in order. And I love that it's something that is just fresh and new for me. It's not my typical black bag, it's not my typical work bag, but it's something that I can really enjoy carrying. So if you have any questions, let me know. I will link all of the resources for everything that I can think of below. I hope you all have a beautiful day. If you're not subscribed, please click that subscribe button. I will see you at the next video, and this is Nikki saying goodbye.